Hey there, Amanda Berlin here, Fractional CMO for B2B service-based businesses that are looking to go from marketing chaos to strategic growth. Before we dive into marketing technology, let me be clear about something. Tech solutions without strategy are just expensive distractions. That's why every client engagement with me starts with a strategic marketing planning session where we map out exactly what you need to achieve your goals. You can learn more about what that session is all about in my video behind the scenes of my strategic marketing planning sessions. Now, in my last video, we talked about the hidden costs of broken marketing operations. Today, we're looking at the essential marketing tech stack every B2B service firm needs, and more importantly, how to implement it the right way. Now, let me ask you something. How many different marketing tools is your business running right now? If you're like most firms I work with, you probably have a CRM that's barely being used or definitely not being used to its full potential. Maybe you're using some email marketing platform, various social media tools, maybe a project management system, and probably several other tools that perhaps aren't talking to each other all that well. Well, here's the problem. It's not about having the tools. It's about having the right tools working together in the right way, implemented by the right people. Let me share a quick story about a financial services agency I worked with. Because after our strategy session, we identified major gaps in their tech infrastructure. They had invested in some tools, but were they the right tools for a company their size with their needs? Not really. Were they using the tools to track leads and measure results? No. They had tools, but no strategy to guide implementation of the tools, no system to manage using those tools, and no dedicated person to manage all of it, the strategy and implementation. So here's what we did. First, we developed the strategy. Then we brought in a marketing implementer from my network of technical specialists who could actually set up and optimize these systems properly. This is crucial. You need both strategy and skilled implementation to succeed. Now, we can do this with a skilled implementer who's already on your team if you have one, or like I said, I find the right person to support us. Let's break down exactly what your marketing tech stack needs to include in order of priority. First, your foundation. This is your CRM, but here's the key. You need one that matches your firm's complexity. Sometimes a simpler system like Pipedrive is better than Salesforce or even HubSpot for a growing firm. Second, your lead capture system. This needs to integrate directly with your CRM. Every form, every landing page, every lead magnet should automatically feed into your central database. Third, your nurture engine. This is where the relationship building begins. This is your email marketing platform, but it needs to be more than just a newsletter tool. You need something that can segment your audience automatically, track engagement across channels, trigger follow-up based on behavior. This is how you start to build a trusting relationship with your audience with targeted correspondence and relevant content. Here's what sets my approach apart. After our strategy session, we don't just hand you a list of tools and wish you luck. We either work with your existing marketing team to implement these solutions, hire you the right technical marketing person, or bring in one of my trusted marketing implementers. The key is having the right strategy and the right people to execute it. So let's go back to that agency example. After our strategy session, we simplified their CRM with help from a technical specialist. We created automated workflows and lead capture systems. We set up a basic email nurture sequences, and then we added social media management. Within 90 days, they had clear visibility into their pipeline, automated follow-up with prospects, measurable marketing KPIs, and most importantly, a system that their team actually used. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go list all of your current marketing tools. Note which ones are actually being used to their full capacity, to their best end, and note which ones are actually talking to each other. How are they integrated? Then identify your biggest integration gap. Drop a comment below with your biggest tech stack challenge. I read and respond to every comment. And remember, if you're ready to build a marketing tech stack and a marketing engine that actually drives growth, the first step is strategy, and then we work together on implementation with the right tools and technology. Click the link in the description for this video to learn more about working with me. You can go to amandaberlin.com/consult to book a free exploratory session with me. We'll map out exactly where you are now, what feels challenging, what your vision and goals are, and how we'll get from here to there. Remember, it's not about having the right tools, it's about having the right strategy. I'll see you in the next video.